Hi there, I am Alex from HammerMissions, and in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to swap a battery and resume your flight. So for this mission we've actually simulated it, hence the reason the battery indicator is blurred out. So as you can see, we've got a 3D mapping mission that we're currently going through, and she'll get to this point and simulate a battery swap out. So this is where the battery gets, or would have got, to 30% and would give you a warning to say the battery is low. So you can either manually bring the aircraft back in or it will return to home. So here you can see the aircraft coming back in to land. This is actually done with manual control as opposed to automatic return to home. So the drone will land, find a safe spot for it to land, make sure there's no obstacles or people, bring the drone in, so just finding a safe spot. So here comes the drone coming in to land safely. Once the drone is down, make sure the props are off, and then you can approach the drone, switch the old battery off, take the battery out, replace it with the new battery, fire the new battery up and move away to a safe distance. Once you go back to Hammer, you can resume your flight by clicking resume there, and then resume mission. The aircraft will take off, go to its set altitude, which I believe in this was 90 feet, and then it will fly off to its last point and continue the mission.